Hi YouTube, it's me, Miss Destiny Boo. Um, I'm going to sing Reflection by Christina Aguilera. Um, it's a request by Keith. He said that no one can sing it the way he likes it, so I hope I can do this for you. Shout outs to the crew, BCG, Faith, and Johnny Boy. You guys my BFFs. I love you. Other than that, no one else really. Guess there's nothing left to do but for me to sing it. So here we go. Look at me. You may think you see who I really am, but you'll never know me. Every day, it's as if I play a part. Now I see, if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Ooh, it's that girl I see, staring straight back at me. When will my reflection show who I am inside? I am now in a world where I have to hide my heart and what I believe in, but somehow I will show the world what's inside my heart and the love for who I am. Ooh, is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? There's a heart that must be free to fly, that burns with the need to know the reason why. Why must we conceal what we think, how we feel? Must there be a secret I'm forced to hide?